Yeah, it's just endless. They're just milling. There's one coming back around again though. Coming low. It's a diver. It's up to you if you want it. It's a hen. Yep. They're taking it wide. Let them. Oh, they're bolties. No, they're hoodies. No, they're hoodies.
There's more coming.
One low.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that one we should have shot at.
There's one more
Yep, yep,
coming right
yep,
over here.
yep. Nope, nope. And there's more. See, there's another bolt that came out. That's what happened.
Oh, got it.
Oh, there was a bunch right behind us. Coming on us.
Dad, did you get too high?
Yeah, some mallards. Did Cody shoot at that one?
I didn't even shoot because I was about to shoot at these. I didn't even know those were there.
Well, I guess we can stay here for a little while, huh? I mean, I don't know.
They're getting low. I think they're gonna go over that cattail patch maybe though.
Oh, here's two of them.
Yeah, no, wait, there's two behind. Yep. I got one down here and then one right here.
You got two?
Yeah, I got two.
Oh, down.
Yeah, all front. Ducks off to the right. Right over here, I think they're divers. Right out front, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. They're coming. There's a group behind them, these three. Let them... Where the heck are those other ones go? Oh, they're way over there. Okay, these are turning. These are turning, coming back, coming back, coming back. Yes! Oh, you got two in one shot!
I got two in one shot? Oh my gosh, Dad, how did you get two in one shot?
They were flying close.
Four coming right behind us, right low. Yep. Yeah, they're going around us, ain't they? Yep. One is. One's angling. One's angling. Coming lower, lower, lower.
Right.
Just wait, just wait. Yep.
Get down, Lee. Get down. There's another one. Finish him off, Cody. Probably, Dad, but try to hit him again, Cody. He's swimming away.
Uh-oh. Is he wounded? Is he wounded?
There, you got him. Good.
You got it.
Two greens. They're out over the water, low. They're going. They're off to your right. The three.
He's right over your shoulder.
Bluebill. Bluebill. Is that the one you were watching?
Yeah.
Oh, I was watching the three to your right.
I don't know how I missed that one. Oh, nice. Nice finish. Nice. Did I get it? Did I shoot too soon?
I don't think so.
I can't believe I didn't dust them.
Boy, I'll tell you what. For as far as that one fell down from the sky, it's like they are higher than you realize.
Mallards. did we water swat the same one?
I think that was the only greenhead, wasn't it?
No, there was 2 or 3 of them.